Hi guys, and thank you for joining me with ArtSphere today. We are going to be doing a super fun and easy experiment using milk and dish soap. So we are going to be learning about how the molecules in milk are going to combine with the dish soap and how that reaction occurs as they chase each other around and try to bind each other. So what you'll need is a bowl, and in this bowl I have it filled with milk, which is full fat, and it would probably be better to start off this experiment using full fat milk because the fat molecules are going to have a better reaction with the dish soap. Then we need our food coloring, which I have here, and then I have my dish soap in a really small dish. As you can see, I barely used any in it because you just need it to dip your Q-tip in, which I also have. So to begin with, we're going to take our first color and we're just going to drop a few drops. I think I'm going to do 3 of each color. You want to make sure that they are not too close together so you can see the reaction better, and you're just going to have them evenly distributed throughout the milk. So now I have my 3. And to show you this reaction better, I'm going to change the camera. Right, so we have our milk and our dish soap. I'm just going to take my Q-tip and dip it in just a little bit, and I'm going to touch it to one of the colors. And as you can see, it's super cool because the colors just disperse as I touch it in different areas. It makes super cool designs. This is one of the more fun experiments that our kids like to do. And then you can always, I'm going to flip this around, you can add more dish soap on your Q-tip. You just continue doing it. You can move your Q-tip around to move the color, the food coloring around. And this actually happens because milk is full of fat and protein molecules. And when these molecules are super easy to mess with. So when we add the dish soap molecules are trying to run around and combine with our fat molecules in the milk. And while they're doing this, this makes the milk disperse and just create different patterns and different things as the molecules from the dish soap are bumping around with all the proteins and stuff in the milk and trying to attach to the fat molecules. So that was just a super quick and easy example of this experiment that you can do. It's really fun to watch all the reactions. You can do this with any colors you want. You can do this as many times because it'll keep reacting for a while as the soap tries to bind with the fat molecules. So this is just a super fun creative experiment you can watch. It would be really fun if you do it afterwards. You will draw the designs that you made with the food coloring and in the milk because it always turns out differently. You can also try this experiment with different kinds of milk. So this was my full fat milk that I had, but you can also try this out with like 2% or no fat and see if that makes a difference. You can try it out with like almond milk and see if it'll work. So you can do this experiment with all kinds of different things to see which reaction works best. So this is a super easy and simple fun experiment that you can do in a few minutes, or you could draw it out and continue experimenting with it. So thank you guys for joining us today at ArtSphere. If you do this experiment, please hashtag us at LoveArtSphereInc, or you could email us your projects at info@artsphere.org, and we would love to share it with everyone on our blogs and on our social media. So please just add us or tag us if you do it, and we would love to see your experiments. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon.